Hello everyone. So I have been talking about generating images or thumbnails or graphics using FFmpeg, and this is something that I don't just talk about. I in fact use FFmpeg to, of course, make a video which I'm recording right now, and also to make a thumbnail for my YouTube. Now, I believe that you can definitely use FFmpeg to make some graphics that you can actually use. And I'm not really saying those graphics are world class or those graphics are not really usable at all. They are definitely usable. They are definitely decent. And I use it. In fact, if you look at my thumbnails, my video thumbnails on YouTube, I use nothing but my own FFmpeg based script. Now, the good thing about this script is that it is something that I can also configure if I want. For example, if I show you the script first, then I'll of course run it very quickly. So basically I have, like, in this script, I have 10, not 10. In fact, I had 9, not even 9, but I had 8 arguments, but now I have 11. So basically, if you look at my thumbnails, let me just run the script very quickly so I can show you. So this is a script which I'm running and passing some arguments. And if I run it, it will basically display this image or create this image. Now in this image, there are a few things happening. And the first thing is, of course, let me just show you the script. Then I will talk about it. So if you look at the script here, the arguments that I'm talking about, the first argument is label 1, label 2. So label 1 is this tracking reports. Label 2 is number of hours versus story points. And then we have the main image. Main image is something that is in the background, like, the screenshot. Then we have logo image. Logo image is on the left hand side, which is this one on top called get answers. It could be Emacs, because this video would be not Emacs or shell script or whatever. Then of course we have third image, which appears on the right hand side here, which is right now not really there, because in fact there is an image which is basically a blank image, like a blank.png transparent image. Then of course I have the colors for the text number 1. For text number 2, I can have a different color. Then we have the transparency of these boxes where the text is displayed. Then of course we have label 1 position and label 2 position, and also the font size that I want. So in a way, it is a bit configurable if I want. And I do like pass these arguments from the terminal so that I can, change the outcome. For example, if I want to have like that image which is missing right now, I can actually do it very quickly. So let me just do it to front looking smile. And maybe I want to display this text in a smaller font. Let me just change the font size to maybe 40. Why not? So let us run it again, and we'll see this image, which is now different, right? It is now different image because it's like one more image on the right hand side, and the font size is different. And good thing about this script is that it works really well for me, and it has been working really well for me. I have shown this to few people in the past, and although they liked the idea, but they were a bit hesitant from using this script or basically something similar, or basically using FFmpeg. But I think it is quite efficient for me, because not only I make my YouTube videos thumbnails, but I also use the same script to generate some social media posts. For example, if I have to post Happy New Year or Happy Christmas or Happy Diwali or Happy whatever, or basically any, if I have to talk about something with a with a supplementary or additional image, so I can actually do it very quickly. So of course I can use GIMP, I can use Inkspace, but usually I have like a templates of various backgrounds or things that I keep with me handy, and based on my needs, based on what I need to do, I simply reuse those background images or some pre-designed graphics which I keep on my computer. And majority of the content, like image-based content that I create, is using nothing but this script. So that is my ambition, and I think it works through really well for me because I can configure it. Although the actual script is doing a lot, as you can see, it is. I mean, I can't really run the whole script from terminal. I mean, I can technically. Like this is the FFmpeg script, so you can see I'm using filter complex, and it is not really easy to run on the terminal, but managing it using these arguments is still manageable. Running it using the arguments is still manageable, and I think you can also do it. If you want to do something similar, my recommendation would be to not use a ready-made script. My recommendation would be to use FFmpeg and do it yourself so that you learn, and you also can make it your own. So whenever it comes to using these scripts, you have to basically make it your own. Like it should be designed to do what you want to do for your needs. Because this script is something that I wrote like a couple of years back, and then I have been improvising it, improving it, making it a bit more usable for me and help me do my work efficiently. So that is it. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.